Hello everyone, I'm Shivaani Sunmugam and my matrix number is D21B0138. So I'll jump right into my oral summary. Does cannabis cure cancer is the most appropriate title for this text, as the title suggests a question in ourselves even before reading the text. I chose this text as I'm always interested and enthusiastic about science. The main idea of the text is false claim that cannabis can cure cancer. The intended audience of this text are readers who are cannabis supporters that are falsely claiming that cannabis can cure cancer just because cancer cells was killed with tetrahydrocannabinol THC in a petri dish. The key parts of the text are: number 1, medical efficacy of the cannabis; 2, the ideology of cannabis supporter who claims natural products are better than pharmacological drugs; 3, overdose of THC may kill cancer cells in petri dish. The key parts interrelate by the medicinal properties of cannabis, which is prescribed to reduce the nausea effect by chemotherapy. Thus, people eventually think that cannabis can cure cancer. And the author suggests that there is no specific scientific research or evidence to support this false claim. Furthermore, even if cannabis can cure cancer, pharmaceutical companies would have patented the medicine that could cure cancer and could have become a multi-billion-dollar company, as 5 in 10 of us are affected by cancer. The key parts interrelate to the thesis statement by the main psychoactive ingredient in cannabis, which is tetrahydrocannabinol THC, which can reduce the nausea caused by chemotherapy. Indeed, a synthetic form of THC called dronabinol has been prescribed for just this use for decades. Thus, overdose of this THC may kill cancer cells in petri dish but not selectively kill cancer cells in human body. Other than that, some have claimed natural products are better than pharmacological drugs. Here, the author brings in medicinal uses of cannabis to tackle the argument with the help of scientific research. The author also convinces the readers that the cure is not only hugely profitable to pharmaceutical company, but the researchers will also receive recognitions, financial rewards, and scientific honors. The evidence provided is THC reduced the nausea caused by chemotherapy. Besides that, the evidence may claim that high dose of THC kills cancer cells in petri dish. The evidence here stated is definitely not convincing enough, as we need evidence from scientific research to prove the hypothesis. The author had well written the opposing views and countered them all with proper explanation and acceptable reasonings. The author's reasoning was very sound and clear as to why cannabis does not cure cancer. I can definitely relate to the idea of the text where nowadays people can easily be fooled by receiving information from social media, where people start spreading news about plants, fruits, or even seeds that claim to cure disease. The innocent readers start believing this false acclaim and purchase the products in order to gain cure from the disease they have. My mother personally had bought a sitting mat for me that claims to keep children more focused during studying and for better brain activity. I could not stop my mother from purchasing the item, but as usual, there was no effect on my education either. As a student, I think we need to read and understand the text and check the information with journals, as the latest evidence is consistently reviewed and updated. Thus, it is important to check the authenticity of a piece of news or information for a better future. Thank you.